First responders working to keep everyone safe and healthy, but according to the CDC, they are at an elevated risk for suicide. Our Princess Bryant has more on suicide rates seen in law enforcement and resources available as we continue our Suicide Prevention Month coverage.
According to the CDC, law enforcement officers and firefighters are more likely to die by suicide than in the line of duty. CDC adds that first responders may be at an elevated risk for suicide because of the environments in which they work.
Law enforcement, they stay at a constant state of stress and anxiety. Their stress level is it's very high at the norm.
Amarillo Police Department Public Information Office Corporal Carmela Ogden says that officers are seeing terrible situations each and every day. She adds that after a while, it does begin to tear down the officer.
So when officers respond to critical incidences, it's someone's very worst day. However, it doesn't stop with that one incident with an officer. They continue to do their job. They respond to multiple calls for service, and they can respond to multiple critical incidences every day.
According to the CDC, even with the high number of suicides and first responders, they are likely underreported. The CDC adds that the perceived stigma around mental health problems or concerns over impact on deployment may lead first responders to not report suicidal thoughts.
We're police officers. We never want to admit that we're not okay because people expect us to be okay. But we're also human, like buckets, right? And every incident, we just put another incident in our bucket. Well, at some point, our bucket starts to overfill and overflows, and then that's when we find ourselves not okay.
Corporal Ogden says that officers work and see each other most of the day, so it's important that they're aware of signs and officers who may need help.
You really just have to realize the signs, and what that might look like is an officer withdrawing, an officer starting to use alcohol when they didn't in the past, starting to act out in a way that is not normal for them.
Amarillo Police Department has a peer support team made up of around 25 members and a peer support supervisor.
Just entails them really not talking about the incident itself, but what their emotions were surrounding that and how they are currently managing it. We like to also make sure that they do a self-check.
In Amarillo, Princess Bryant, KMR Local 4 News.
Northwest Texas Healthcare System and the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention provide resources and help for any first responder that may need it. Resources and helplines can be found on myhighplains.com.